Red cabbage has 10 times more vitamin A and twice as much iron as green cabbage. Regular intake of red cabbage will help you to remain healthy and active. Let's take a look on health benefits of red cabbage. 1. Cancer prevention. Red cabbage plays an important role in cancer prevention due to the presence of high levels of antioxidant components as a preventative measure. Antioxidants are actually the substances that can neutralize free radicals that are the harmful byproducts of cellular metabolism. These free radicals are actually liable for numerous serious diseases, like heart disease, cancer and many more. 2. Weight loss aid. Red cabbage is very low in calories and high in dietary fiber and is full of essential vitamins and minerals. Consumption of red cabbage will make you feel full and take care of your nutritional requirements, without encouraging you to eat more food or overeat from empty calories. 3. Eye health. Vitamin A is not only good for your skin, but also for eyes. Macular degeneration and cataract formation can be prevented with the regular consumption of vitamin A-rich foods regularly. Vitamin A can also be converted into beta-carotene that is essential for sustaining eye health as you grow old. 4. Ulcers. Amino acid, namely glutamine, which is present in huge amount in red cabbage, are beneficial for decreasing inflammation as well as pain related with ulcers in gastrointestinal systems. Regular consumption of red cabbage juice is the best remedy for such conditions and also has been used as a home cure for a very long time. 5. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is mainly noticed as we grow old. Different research has been done to find preventative measures and cures for this disease for several years. Red cabbage is discovered to be very powerful in protecting the cognitive activity of people. Development of particular type of plague is in fact a main reason for cognitive loss in those patients. 6. Sugar level. Red cabbage consists of considerable amount of manganese that show deficiency in controlling the level of sugar, which further prevents the incidence of certain diseases like diabetes. Manganese regularizes insulin synthesis and secretion, and the unpredictable drops in blood sugar can be better regulated, offering normal and practical life for diabetics. 7. Regularizes bowel movements. Red cabbage consists of dietary fiber which helps to boost the weight and size of stool and softens it. Large stool is easier to pass, lessening the chance of constipation. In case you have watery stools, fiber helps to solidify the stool since it absorbs water and adds bulk to stool. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment. To watch more videos, click subscribe button.